This is the TPS LCM, made from heavy-duty 304 grade stainless steel. The entire unit is stainless steel. 1200 by 1000 footprint, 132 kilos tear weight and holds 1000 litres. You can stack these 3 high when they're full, 6 high when they're empty and folded like this. Sides go up first. Pull them and lock them into place. Handle on the front here to aid lifting. And just a single bolt on this side to lock it. Handle on the front again to aid lifting. And these chocks fit into these slots here. Door locked into place by these two-way latches. So the bolts lift up, move to the outside edge, enables you to drop the door down and access the inside. "35-degree slope on the inside for ease of emptying of the product that goes inside. Again, all stainless steel on the inside as well. Here we have the aperture for the valve. It can be either a 2 or a 3-inch. C-clip here to hold it in place. Door slides across. And the holes here for your tamper-evident lock. So to put the box down, you need to close this side door, lock those into place. Again, using the handle to drop it down. Undo the bolt on this side. Handle helps with dropping it down. There is an order to dropping these sides down. The lower hinge goes down first and the higher hinge goes down second. On the top here you have the lugs which aid stacking, so the base of the pallet will sit in these lugs here.